guys, welcome back. We are doing a kind of a get things done type of video, mostly like cleaning, getting my housework done, because it is my birthday weekend. So my actual birthday is May 7th, Sunday. But we are going north for my cousin's baby shower on Sunday. So kind of celebrating my birthday Saturday for like myself, at least, just Sydney and I. And the last thing I want to do is housework. So I'm kind of rushing to get all of the laundry done, washed, folded, get the house cleaned up, and just get things done so that Saturday I plan on doing nothing. I want to have like breakfast in bed, watch a movie in bed with Sydney. We have a May Day parade going on in the afternoon, possibly go to the movies at night, get our nails done. Like, I don't know. I want to have housework off of the table, especially because Sunday we will be gone all day as well. And then starting out next week, I just don't have housework kind of lurking over my head. So that is what we are doing. I just got back from having lunch at Sydney's school with Sydney, and these kids need sunshine. Man, I had lunch with her for her birthday back in February, and then I just had it today for the second time, and the difference in the kids' energy level is just insane. So all of April, I know so many of you guys have had the same weather pattern. All of April we've had basically rain, and these poor kids need to get their energy out. Poor kids, I'm honestly like poor teachers. They're all saints. But yeah, the kids are just, they have so much pent up energy. They need to just run it off and burn it off in the sunshine, which will be coming, thankfully, this weekend. So I will stop chit-chatting. The first thing that I want to do is transfer my seeds to the bigger pot. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I have about an hour before I have to pick Sydney up, and then after I pick her up, I will focus on housework. I did a start of a bunch of housework yesterday, so I will also insert that footage here. And then the reason why you guys didn't have a video yesterday, Thursday, like I usually post, well, kind of, I like to stick to a Tuesday, Thursday, but sometimes it doesn't work out that way. So try to be flexible. Sydney had a dentist appointment, an early release day yesterday, a dentist appointment after that, and then just the time got away from us. So I'm gonna stop chatting now. I have to get to picking up the house because I have a mound of clean laundry that needs to be folded that I just washed yesterday.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch,
So I love starting out my days exercising a little bit, getting my body going. And I've really been trying to stick with my routine of getting on my bike if the weather doesn't allow it or if I'm kind of short on time. So I'll either go for a walk outside when it is warmer out and I have a little bit more time to do so, or I'll do 15 to 30-ish minutes. Today I actually did 30 minutes on my bike. Sometimes I'll go through emails first thing in the morning. I will put on either like a podcast or some music, just depending on how much energy I have or how much work I have to do kind of on my plate for that day. But it really does help me get my blood flowing and energy and motivation for the rest of the day. And I've just been loving it. I do have the MYX bike. I still have not renewed the subscription to like do the exercise videos, which is actually okay right now because I lost a lot of my like in shape. So once I get there, I will reactivate that so that I can do more intense workouts. But for now, the light ones are doing. And I knew I was going to be taking Sydney to her dentist appointment and wanted to just get myself a little bit freshened up. So I threw on some makeup, light makeup, and I did not do my hair this day. So I also knew that I was just going to be doing a lot of housework. And like I said, April's been very dark and rainy. So I knew it was just mostly going to be an at-home doing housework day, but also wanted to make myself a little bit presentable to go in public.
I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution.
So like I said, it was early release the day that I was filming this. And so Sydney for lunch had one of the Trader Joe's Philly cheesesteak bao buns. She loves these and they are so convenient, especially because we were kind of rushing to a dentist appointment. So I went ahead and sliced up some red peppers for her with that. And then I gave her that to see how hungry she was. And she ate it all up. And I gave her a cheese stick and I think crackers or something else. I just kind of like gauge how hungry she is that day. That way we don't waste a whole lot of food. And she's the type of child who eats one thing at a time. She'll eat, the bao bun first, then all of the peppers first, and then work her way around her plate. One thing that amazes me is how many dishes and how much laundry just two people can create. I am constantly cooking though. It makes so much sense and, so many snacks and meals. So constantly loading the dishwasher, constantly folding laundry. So you moms of multiple children and significant others, not multiple significant others, I hope, but you get the drift. Y'all are rock stars. You don't get enough credit, so cheers to you. I know Mother's Day is coming up, so I appreciate you. So going ahead and doing all of the rest of the housework on my plate for the day. Honestly, I wanted some chocolate, so I went ahead and made some brownies. I thought it was a perfect day to make some chocolate, nice, warm, cozy brownies to have as a snack. And I did not film Sydney at the dentist, but she's a rock star. She kind of has a little bit of like dentist anxiety. She probably gets that from mama. Just not, I don't know, like the noises or something in her mouth of the cleaning, but she loves it and always does really well there. So that's what I was doing. So like I said, I was kind of getting the house in order and doing things that I would typically do on the weekend ahead of time, like getting all the laundry done, doing the dishes, although that's a daily task, but you know what I mean. Just kind of getting things out of the way that so that I don't have to do them over the weekend. So popping in a large load of laundry, and then I was going ahead and sweeping up the floor, just kind of under the TV stand and my fern that's kind of shedding. It's almost ready to be put outside for the summer, thank goodness. And yeah, getting some housework all done so that I can truly enjoy time with Sydney and to myself without kind of, I don't know, the idea of housework kind of lurking over my head doesn't give me anxiety or stress me out, but I'm sort of, it just consumes my brain, and that's kind of all I can think about. And having a clean house really allows me to enjoy my free time thoroughly. By the way, there's nothing inappropriate on the TV. I am just blurring it for copyright sake. I don't really know what the rules are, but playing it safe, it was just Blaze hanging out on the TV.